Hey, what's up guys? Really excited to be back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing the showcase and review of the Halo Mega Bloks Mystery Figures Series 2. Now this is a very cool series, guys. This is the second one they went ahead and released. If you've not already, I will link the first series review in the description below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Very cool series in my opinion. I really enjoyed Series 1. So Series 2 actually is a little bit of a deviation from the ones we saw originally. Some similar colors, as you guys can see, but in some similarities, some differences, like the ultra rare in this one being the Flame Marine and things like that. But without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the figures. So firstly, we have one of the commons. This is the blue Flame Marine. In Series 1, we actually went ahead and got the yellow Flame Marine, so this is a little bit of a change compared to the last one. Still a great figure nonetheless, very cool. It's just a standard blue Flame Marine, just like the yellow one in the old series, but it is, like I said, just a normal blue Flame Marine. There's nothing too crazy about him, although they haven't made too many Flame Marines recently, so he is a more, I would say, rare figure, honestly. That is going to go ahead and wrap up the blue Flame Marine. Another common in this set is actually this red Spartan with a carbine rifle. This is a cool army builder for this series. I enjoy this figure, and I enjoy getting special weapons with them. I think that's cool when they throw different weapons in the Spartan's hands instead of just like assault rifles all the time and stuff like that. As you can see, it's an excellent looking figure. It's a great army builder from this series, and I'm kind of glad they included a color like that. So that is actually the next common. Now let's go ahead, and before we jump into any of the rares, we'll jump over here to this Marine. We have a closed face green Marine. Now this Marine is actually different from any of the Marines you see in the later series. There's a Green Marine in Series 4, but he's actually much lighter than this. So this is a different kind of figure we have here. A darker closed-face Marine, and I'm not sure if he was exclusive to this. I highly doubt it, because I feel like these figures were produced a lot when they were given the opportunity to do so. Just another common, but a very cool figure nonetheless. I'm a big fan of the closed-face Marines, and I think this one's really cool. Now we'll go ahead and put that there. And we'll jump into our last common, guys. Now our last common is actually this Copper Elite, which I did just get in an unboxing video that I just uploaded before this, if you want to check it out. Very cool Copper Elite. Definitely used to have him. I'm not sure what happened to him, so that's really weird. But Copper Elite, he is exclusive to this series, so he's not the easiest figure to find, actually, which makes him pretty cool. I like that. Nice little Copper Elite figure with a beam rifle. Blue flight design, actually, for this Elite. Now that is actually going to go ahead and wrap up the common figures. So now we can jump straight into the rare figures. We have over here, we have this pink Hayabusa figure as our first ultra rare, actually. Now this is one of the coolest figures Mega Bloks has ever made, actually. And he is certainly exclusive to this series. So this is a very cool Hayabusa figure. I'm a big fan of the Hayabusa in Mega Bloks. I think it looks great, honestly. So this is one of my favorite figures. Comes with the sword attachment on the back, as well as the katana sword that he's holding right now. And of course the Hayabusa armor that we are all used to seeing from that beautiful game called Halo 3. One of the most excellent figures I think Mega Bloks has ever made. And I do like the blue one from Series 1 more, but this one's still very cool nonetheless. And that is our first rare. Jumping into our second rare that I did actually, like I said, just unbox today in my last video, as well as the Copper Elite. If you want to go ahead and check that out, it's going to be in the description below. So this purple Spartan is very cool. I think he is very exclusive to this as well. So he's not the most easy figure to come by, and I think he looks great compared to some of the further purple Spartans they made because of his armor, actually. They've made, the later purple Spartans were all different variants, like EVA or something like that, but this is a very cool, just standard purple Spartan. and I think he looks excellent. He is certainly my favorite figure in this entire series, and I'm very happy to have finally gotten him to complete my Series 2 once again. Alright guys, now let's jump finally into the last figure of this series, which is the Active Camo Flame Marine. Now this is the ultra rare figure. This figure, in my opinion, is very cool. It's a sweet figure. I'm glad that they did make this Active Camo Flame Marine when they did, and that I got it when I did. But the problem with the older Mega Bloks is they do degrade slightly when exposed to sunlight, but other than that, this figure's held up great, and I'm really happy to own this one. I am a big fan of this figure, the Active Camo Flame Marine from Series 2. Very cool figure, guys. I love this one. Just comes with the normal Flame Marine equipment, just all obviously in Active Camo. Now, a very cool figure. Let's go ahead and set them all up so you can see once again the full series, and I'll talk about it a little bit more. So, as you can see, guys, this is the full series, and it looks very cool. I'm a big fan of Series 2. If I was to give it a number rating, I would say 10 out of 10, honestly, for Series 2, just because it was so early in the Mega Bloks cycle, or whatever, you know, lifespan, and I think they killed it for the time being. So I really enjoyed getting this series. Go ahead and leave a like on the video, guys, if you have not already, because I'm super hyped to be bringing you these videos, bringing you these old style series, new series, whatever I can bring to you guys. I love to do so. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe on this video. Definitely probably going to be doing Series 3 really soon, so I just wanted to let you all know that. I will probably do that one pretty soon, because I do have the complete Series 3 and 4. So we'll do some more old style series reviews in the future. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already, guys. And like I said earlier, check out that giveaway video. I'll link that in the description below, as well as my Series 1 review. And I just noticed I actually didn't talk about this last brute here. Actually, no, I think I talked about the purple brute. Did I? Anyway, if I didn't, here he is, this purple brute. He is one of the common figures. Comes with a spiker in this series. He's very cool nonetheless. Purple, I'm not sure if they ever made him in any other series actually, but a cool figure nonetheless. He is one of the commons in that series. So that's going to go ahead and wrap up every figure, I think, guys. All 8 figures from Series 2 have been shown and reviewed. Like I said, guys, I think this series is a 10 out of 10, honestly, and I'm really happy to have finally completed it once again. Very hype. As you guys can see, that is every single figure from Series 2. So that's very exciting, guys. Once again, please leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're not already, as it really helps my channel grow. Alright, guys. I am going to go now. I will catch you all in the next video. Once again, please leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy. Peace, guys.